this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, here to give you another video on one of my routines. And this product that I'm using, it is by a company named Cyan, and they have some really great natural skincare products. I've been using some of their products for several years now, and they have this beauty lift machine, and it helps to tone and firm your face in just 5 minutes a day. It's small, but it's a little powerful handheld 2-step system, and it's designed to help deeply nourish, tone, and lift the skin. This machine uses microcurrent, and if you know anything about microcurrent is something that helps to firm the muscles, and it is extremely popular in facial and skincare services in many medical spas, and it also helps to increase the absorption of the ingredients in the skincare products. So it has a slight vibration, and you can actually hear it when you are using it. Don't let that alarm you if this is something that you will give a try. But you can see what it looks like here. It comes in a kit, and it comes with a serum and a cream. And the serum is the product that is used on the skin for the first step, and then the cream is used for the second step. And the second step is the lifting feature. So I've already cleansed my face. You want to do this after you have cleansed your face, and then you will apply the serum to your skin and just apply it to the skin. I apply it not making sure that it's going all the way in. I don't want it to penetrate and get dry. I'm just gently tapping it onto the skin so my skin is still damp and dewy from the serum. And then I'm going to use the handheld microcurrent machine. It's great because it also comes with the directions, so it walks you through and it shows you the correct and proper way to use the handheld, and also the instructions are clearly written out, and it also has picture diagrams as well. So if you're more of a visual learner, that is great for you, and I love it as well. And you can see how I turn it on. It's very clear. It shows you how to turn it on, and when you take the top off, it's got this roller on, and that is what you will use when you are doing the motions on your face. So when you apply the serum and you turn the machine on, you then begin the motions on your skin and press down firmly. You don't have to press extremely hard, but you do want to use pressure. So I'm using the pressure as I'm going in the different directions, and you are going to always go in an upward motion. It doesn't hurt. I didn't feel any type of electrical sparks or shocks to my skin, so there's nothing like that. So there's nothing to worry about. But you can see how I'm holding it, and I'm holding it with my hands holding on the sides, and there's sensor strips that are on the sides of this handheld, so you always want to make sure that you are keeping contact at all times on those sides. And this is just a note of caution, but if your hands were to move off of those sides, it is possible that you could get a little tiny spark or shock to the skin if you're not keeping your hands on those sensors on the side. So after I'm done with step 1, I'm going to just wipe off the roller, and then I'm going to use this cream, and I'm going to apply that to my skin. After I've applied the cream to my skin, then I'm going to turn the machine back on, and I'm going to go to the lifting feature on the apparatus, and then I'm going to use the same strokes that I did before on my face, and using pressure just rolling the apparatus all over my face and under my jaw, and just going over those areas using that pressure and going in those upward motions for about 5 minutes. And then after about 5 minutes, I turn it off, I clean off the roller, and then I am done. But you can see the sensors on the side of the apparatus there up close. And this is my skin after I'm done. It feels good, it feels nice and taut. I know you might be saying, well, you don't have any sagging areas on your face, so how do I know there's much of a difference? This is something that I'm using to see an overall difference progressively, and also to help keep things at bay. You can do this once a week. I do it and recommend doing it before going to bed because I have oily or combination skin, so the cream that's used, you're not wiping it off of your face. They don't recommend that you take the products off or try to remove the products. And I don't like anything heavy on my face when I'm going out in the daytime, so this is something that I would use at night. But this is how I tone and firm my face using the Cyan Beauty Lift machine and the skincare products that goes along with it. It can be used pretty much with any good skincare product, so it doesn't have to be used with the products that come with it, but I'm using it because it came with the package. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you subscribing to the channel. This is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, sharing the Bible, and that's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. And I hope you have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day, and I will see you next time.